I'm sure that we'll get the money.
Ah, sure.
You're going to give us the money.
Definitely, we are going to get the money. Don't worry. That's good. I think he's around. My boss, he is a very kind man.
But I hope it's not your first time coming here.
No. I've been here. It's like, this is my third time coming here.
Okay.
I know the place. He lives down there. Don't worry, eh? We will get the money. And as soon as we get the money, take the money to the markets and pay all the renters. Because gentlemen,
yes, sir. Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good by God's grace, and you?
Is your boss in?
Yeah.
Oh,
is there any problem?
Yeah, the thing is,
we want to see
we
your
want
boss.
to see your boss.
You want to see my boss?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What's the mission?
The mission
Yes,
is
the mission.
The mission is we want to see your boss.
You want to see my boss. For what reason?
Tell him Dr. Koshegu is looking
Dr.
for
Koshegu. Who is Dr. Koshegu?
Koshegu.
Who is Dr. Koshegu?
Go and tell your boss that Dr. Koshegu is looking for you.
Who is she to you?
Rachel.
And also Kajumano.
Oh yeah, I have to know all this because you can't enter without my permission.
Your permission?
Yeah.
So
that's why I'm asking, who is she to you?
Yeah, the bodyguard.
The permission is...
I'm his bodyguard.
Go inside and
oh baby, stop
talking.
Talk. I'm his bodyguard. So go and call your boss for us.
Okay, you wait for me.
These people, they will never get money. Because
relax. Don't mind him. He's just a gate man.
Now see, make no talk me, make us no crunch me here. Me see, if I do program, I dey invest and kasa I dey call Amachi the day, I dey call Luma. If you can say busy, Blackwood and stuff all day inside. There be gate fee in the chairman. I beg you no go sit for the now that we check. They don't do that. You know Belarus, this the way I dey take and the where we don't go where they can't throw money for the AJ, then we don't go down then inside and stuff. Sean, I beg me you master, bro. I've invested a lot. Boss. I want to be. I'm some fraud. Why? Also,
boss, someone is after you.
What? Okay, me.
Yeah.
Let them feel like my number.
So he said, call Dr. Kofi.
He's my boy. He's my boy. Like I promise him something. Like let them come in. Okay.
Boss, please, when they come talk to them, they are insulting me. They are insulting me. Because without my permission, they can't enter here. So please talk to them when they come.
Babatunde, what is the problem? The beer person will be an issue.
But not so many akwalasa. Me na akwala ufia. Me no we adwuma ache. One bana be hwe boss na busa wo say wo hwehwe man.
It's okay, stop nagging. You just said it.
Also by no kasa.
You must get back shopping. Look at what you are wearing. I don't mean something. I don't even get it. I mean, there's something crying on my My mom's car don't daddy Papa. This is what to make. I don't know what like you want and for this one inside. What the warrior? Show your stomach. Wash a bay. A bit more casket in Namo. Like seriously?
He's being rude to us.
No. Relax. For this gate man, whenever they get money or they get some beautiful places to stay, they behave abnormal. You behave abnormal.
Are you insulting me or what?
No. Is your boss in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
He said you should come in. Why are you pushing me?
Because the permission has already granted that I should come inside. It's your duty. Look to the door.
Koshegu. Yeah.
Boss.
Yeah. That's my boy. Koshegu. Give it to us. Hello, hi.
This is my business.
Oh, okay. You're welcome.
Okay. Boss, I did outside.
Matter what you mean from? Why?
Boss, talk to me for me.
Come on.
Go to the PlayStation this thing.
Okay. Good. So, do you care for something? But what you please come, don't go yet. Bouncer. Koshi.
Oh, we okay.
Are you sure? We have some juice in the fridge.
No.
You have already taken something.
Sure.
But no, baby, I'm on count.
I'm watching the canal. Be treated polite. Come on, decent. Where you come? You didn't remember from.
Okay, boss. Thank you.
Please, you didn't mention Koshi or how did you mention?
She's
Capturing. Oh, okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
okay. Boss, it's all about the alibi. I mean, the money.
Yeah, I got you. You know, don't play it. Yeah. I promised you to surprise you with a smash. Okay, I'm coming. Just a minute. Okay. All right. Cut. You're also okay. Feel free.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
It's very nice. Can't you see?
Oh, yes. And he's cute too.
Cute to be over here. It is very nice. No. I hope this money is going to help us to solve that issue.
Yeah.
Yeah, so relax, It's gonna be fun.
Koshiego, my boy.
Boss.
A lot of mercy. Oh, so exhausted.
Yes.
Koshiego, this is just, some chicken chain, some peanut. No need even to count. I think this is 3,000. Yeah. Money yet for me, okay.
3,000.
Yeah, 3,000 for you.
Boss. Oh, thank you very much, boss. Thank you.
You are very funny.
Medawasi, now go the
Oh, come on.
You don't want chop.
You know what?
You don't want chop.
Do you know my language? Do you understand what they say?
Is your language?
Yeah.
You speak language?
Yeah, I'm a Botarian. I forgot I'm a Botarian.
Oh!
So, Akbar, meaning, but thank you very much.
Akbar. As always, I talk about your quality.
Mauna Ira, go back, Mauna Ira.
Okay.
Guys. Yeah, you're welcome once again.
Thank you.
Wait,
Sweetheart.
are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You know Koshiego, my boy already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and
They
then,
came to visit us.
yeah, sure. I promise you something, so.
Okay. Hello. Looking pretty.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
So like, Koshiego, as I was saying, I mean, if you say Mauna Ira, meaning like, God bless you.
Yeah.
Mauna Ira.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean. The thing is, oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
In fact, my God is going to bless you abundantly. God is going to bless you abundantly.
Okay, give something. I'm not been done yet, with the surprise. There is this Toyota Brit that I want to surprise you. My Toyota Brit.
Oh my goodness! Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Oh, thank you very much.
I don't know what to tell you though, but as a me to be sure you will see it. Let me tell you.
Oh.
Yeah, you can use it for you can use it for both and boat and
Okay.
or Uber whatever. Yeah.
Okay, boss. May God bless you.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
In fact, you are so good. Hey, sorry. You have a beautiful mind.
Yeah, sure.
You so care.
I'm so carried. Yeah.
Yeah, may God bless you.
Let me tell you something. Let me bring this to our local language for you to understand something clear. You know something? In this life, make us a mention. We are in this life not to take anything. You feel me?
Yeah.
Right now, if I ask you your purpose in this life, you have nothing to say. Me now they say put smile. puts my eye on someone's face.
Sure,
You feel me? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think me want to say be anywhere so if some that is all. So if you go days a chicken is a peanut and I'm planning to do something more. Okay. Yeah, for you. So I would say after this then I'll get you the Twitter.
Oh, but it's very thank you very much. May God bless.
Yeah.
Are you okay? Oh, yeah. Are you sure? Yes.
Okay, I'm like this is nothing, you feel me? Yeah.
Thank you very much.
More to come. Okay. Just pray for me.
May God bless you.
Okay.
In fact, you are a kind person. You have a good heart. My God.
I can't take this no more. To what extent? Huh? What's wrong with you?
Baby, are you okay?
Mama then? Huh? Who taught you that? Who does that? No, the party name is Yato no. Like
Jesus!
what can you do?
Seriously of Nazareth.
Baby, like seriously? Hey, then you don't get it. Like, what's supposed to do? Like, it's on the end. I mean, what's like? What is that?
Hey, how you are?
So is that's what we're doing.
Hey, come on, huh? Hey, give me money. Huh? Come here, give the money back to me. Give the money to me right now.
Wow.
Give me the money right now. Give it to me right now. Hey, woman, out. Give me the money right now.
The woman is going out.
Give me the money right. I just make one phone call.
Boss, I beg you.
Hey, give me the money right now.
Boss,
Give me the money. No.
So you actually came with your fiancé to come and seduce my husband.
It's from your heart.
Not what you're doing.
Yes, I know it's my house. The money's not yet in our and soon here. Where's the rest?
Pardon?
And so it's coming on and soon here. Like my mom 3,000. This is 2,000.
That is all of them.
What?
That's all.
Yeah.
Mama, 3,000.
Mom, 3,000 is yeah.
Yes, of course, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, going 3,000.
I give you 3,000. Where's 2,000?
Are you sure you count it well? Are you sure you count it well?
Out, woman. I don't want to start out.
Woman, out.
Because me so cheap. They say, Mama, we are now. My friend, let me tell you something. Money will be able to chase him.
Yes, that's true.
This is your stupid girl.
You just
Hey, the man something I'm scamming.
Not.
Mommy, is scamming. The man 3,000 I'm scamming.
It's kind of there. No, me going to say, who traces the kind of there, boss? I didn't send me back.
Listen.
Like when you trace.
Baby. Relax. Calm down. The money is with me.
What?
Yeah.
So you took the money.
Come on, stop kidding.
You
Hey,
know
give me the money.
She said she took the money. She steal
I
the
took the
money.
money.
When did you and how did you take the money? Mommy, still there or
She steal the money.
Baby, calm down. Let me talk to you.
She said
You
she
know
steal
what?
the
Hey, shut up, my friend.
I want to go.
Onward, you. Yes, talk to me.
Baby, listen to me. Do you know what I was seated here?
We
Hey,
are
my friend, shut up.
leaving.
You're Dean, or Kasai Dean. Who are telling you what the member was to see? You know me.
Sweetie, do you know that while seated here,
Okay.
this guy was trying to take my number on his phone, and I pushed it away. So later on, when he was giving the money, I had to take it so that I would see what he was going to do at the end. What's the meaning of all these things? Your girlfriend or your fiancé comes to my husband and then try to seduce him. Well, like this disgraceful act. That's why it's not even good to help anybody now.
It's the devil.
My friend, walk out from this house. Sweetie, take the money.
Maybe I want to
go.
Maybe
But I want to go.
I've been Papa me one man like me your bonnet bang.
Maybe deal with him. Let me call the security.
Now you wait, I'm coming. Let's just say saying, come here, you're faithful. I'm assuming you're faithful. It's you people, you keep me here to plan and plotting, right?
This is not a faithful matter. The thing is,
now you not be serious here. Like, don't can I say?
Yeah.
Now it's about maybe you now. But it's coward number one canon. What don't send them now? The phone number open number. Like how? You respect.
no.
Do respect. How do respect.
Boss.
You are fully stupid man.
It's the devil.
Remember what you papa man say who near papa man yes sir. Hey, how about you there?
The devil.
How about you there? Before some economic discipline was not free as here call. You're not escorting free. But today,
What's the problem, boss?
be ma wa juma. Papa we are ranting you didn't say. Make sure some discipline no. Those who need be finance no free as here call.
Hey, you're stealing my boss money.
Why? Also the first I'm coming. Like seriously, I want to know.
Hey,
No transportation.
What should they say?
That's why.
This is playing him very well.
Take him out.
I'm
Walk him out.
I'm Hey!
Drag him out.
You see what I will do to you. Come.
You
Hey, we're not for Sumbia.
Walk him out, my friend!
I'm surprised. So nowadays, people have a mentality of just duping people when they see them.
Women for street soon, so women coming for street soon, my promise to send.
Who so I give him receipts. Baby. Anyway, we thank God.
Wait, so you want to think you're lawyer to me and think about what brown him is here.
But this guy can't make me fall for his dirty games. Gosh.
So what the boss of corner bar have a time in chain. No
more. Gay is dear. No more dear womb. Stop the egg. No, they won't. I'm finishing. I owe ya.
Koshebu. What me your plan? What me doing when you know?
Sweetie, just be careful. Add this to it.
Come on, I'm keep it. You know, I'm okay. Keep it. I'm inside. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. You're asking me to keep. But this guy, what was he thinking? I should put my number on your phone. I'm not bothered. Veggie food.